Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yung relasyon nyo, parang leron-leron sinta.
Bakit?
Pagdating nyo sa dulo, naghanap siya ng iba.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sabi ni Lord, huwag daw sayangin yung mga blessings na binibigay niya. Kaya nga, iniingatan kita.
God gave me you to show me what's real. Birthday to you.
Ayan, kagigising ko lang. Gusto ko lang bumati ng happy birthday kay Babe Pollen, yung sunshine ng TOJ. Yung maraming naghahabol pero mukhang paalaman yung mga naghahabol sa kanya. Happy birthday sa'yo, Babe Pollen. Wish ko lang na always to be kind and pretty and good health. Ayun. And lagi mo tandaan, mahal na mahal ka ng Ate Red Wine and kung Ate OJ. And ayun, happy birthday sa'yo, babe. Always ka mag-iingat dyan, ha. Alagaan yung kalusugan. Paganda lagi para mas more boy to come. Okay. Sarap. Pamahagi ka naman sa amin ni Kambal Pretty ba? Kami wala, tapos ikaw dami-dami. Happy birthday sa'yo, babe, ulit, ha. Love you, love ka ng Ate Red Wine.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
So ayun, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. Lalo na sa TOJ family. Una sa lahat, babatiin ko ang aking anak na si Fallen ng happy birthday, Nak Fallen. Sabi nga ni Kambal Redwine, mamigay ka naman sa amin ba, Nak? Ng lalaki ba? Oo. Enjoy mo yung pretty mo, enjoy mo palagi. Ang iyong kaarawan, ingat ka palagi at malayo ka sa mga sakit. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Basta na, always andito lang lagi si Mami. I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Sabi nga, more lalaki, pero wala naman talaga. Okay. I love you, Nak. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to
Hi, Babe Pollen. Happy birthday. I wish more birthday to come in your life, and I wish na makakahanap ka na ng jowa, and I wish na makauwi ka na ng Pilipinas and makita mo yung family mo at yung anak mo. And Babe, wag basta-basta papatol, ha, na hindi mo pa alam at kung ano yung ugali, ha. And now, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo and enjoy kasi birthday mo to. Sana now na birthday mo ay masaya ka, ha, nakasama yung TOJ family. Kung may problema ka, gusto mo nang kausap, tawagan mo lang ako. Sasagutin ko, no problem. And Pollen, kahit man binibiro kita palagi, sana naman mauunawaan ako. Yun lang, happy birthday. Ganda ko.
Hi, I just want to wish my utol Anthony and Ate Fallen a happy birthday, and I wish that may your life will be filled with joy, laughter, and blessings. And I do hope that your goals in life will be reached, and I love you all. Lagi kami nandito na TOJ family para sa inyo, at hinihiling lang namin na sana ay ma-bless po kayo ni God ng good health, peaceful life, and more joy para sa iyo at sa inyong pamilya. So, ayun lang, Ate Fallen and Utol Anthony, I love you both. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Fallen, happy birthday. I hope your birthday is as bright, beautiful, and wonderful as you are. Wishing you a happiest birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayun, no, nasa biyahe ako ngayon. So, ayun, mag-greet lang ako kay Miss Pauline. Ayun, happy birthday sa iyo, Miss Pauline. And ayun, more birthdays to come. And ayun, yun lang. Always pretty pa rin naman dyan, ha. Ayun, ingat lagi. Ayun, sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Ayun, and